Welcome to the Plant Simulation Basic Training course. In this course, we cover all the essential basics of working in both 2D and 3D environments, so that after completing the course, you are able to independently create realistic, world-class simulation models. This course was created based on 11 years of experience with this software, during which I worked as an instructor and developed both small and large-scale simulation projects for small businesses, as well as major corporate companies in the automotive, electronics, and food production sectors. At the same time, each lesson is universal and applicable to any type of productions or logistics. In this course, I bring you these experiences in a clear and condensed format focused on the most essential points. The goal of this course is to save you time and energy so you don't have to go through things by trial and error, as often happens when starting out with this software. Each lesson is designed in a step-by-step manner where we start with the simplest parts and gradually move on to the more complex ones. With each new lecture, we gradually add new content, additional objects, and new features to the simulation model. Sometimes, we create simulation models entirely from scratch, giving us the opportunity to fully practice building models and using new objects and functions. Other times, we build on models from previous lectures and continue working on them seamlessly, just as it works in real projects. We start the course by creating a simple basic simulation model, through which we gradually explain the absolute basics. Next, we look at how to create and insert additional material flow objects and how to properly connect them to each other. We explain parallel connections, the principle of object inheritance, and we also look at machine equipment failures, simulation outputs, and basic statistics. At the end of each section, you find a short and simple quiz, which serves as a quick review of the material. Next, we focus on more advanced statistics and buffers. We show how to work with machine setups and explain how to use the experiment manager to optimize production. We insert our custom icons and explain object exit strategies. Next, we look at objects like the assembly station, where we will combine multiple parts into a single unit or load parts onto pallets. We also show the dismantle station object, which works in exactly the opposite way. For example, when disassembling pallets into individual parts. We dedicate a separate section to workers, their setup, work shifts, and working with an entire team of workers. We assign individual work tasks to the workers. We go through detailed creation and import of 3D models, building complex conveyor systems, and working with rework as part of the process. We show you how to set up automatic routing, a feature that ensures individual parts or transporters reach their destination by the shortest and most efficient route. At the same time, we explain how to combine multiple models into a single functional unit and how to manage them effectively. In the final section, we focus on the transporter object, where we simulate forklifts and AGV systems. We learn how to create routes for them, how to use them to supply production, and how to transport material within the simulation model. We also take a look at traditional material warehouses and the automatic storage warehouse object. We demonstrate the cooperation of multiple types of transporters within a single simulation model, as well as many other topics that couldn't fit into this video. I look forward to continuing the course with you and wish you a pleasant and comfortable learning experience.